Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to change the clock text and size in macOS 26. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the system settings RC from here. After that, the system settings will open. You need to go to wallpaper settings from here. So from this section, you will find the clock appearance. You need to click on it. And after that, from here, you will have a lot of options. The first one is to choose how deep is the color for the clock. I'll see from here. You will have more than one option. Also, you can choose where you can see the clock. I'll see from here. If you click on here, you can just show it on lock screen, never show the clock, or you can show it on screensaver and lock screen. The last option that you have from here is the weight of the numbers. So if you move the bar to the max, you can see how the weight is increased. So that's actually how you change the size and text of the clock on macOS. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.